What is smallest thing in our universe? How we measure them? Can we map them? What is think about it? It is the nuclear physics. Nuclear physics by physics lover. Matter particle interaction. We know how they interact, so we know where they are. In matter particle interaction, in these particles, where it is, where, why they move, when they move, which direction they move. In this, metal particle interaction is the only thing we say in these questions. In this, two things are happening. In first, particle undergoes many interactions and every time loses small amount of energy. And second thing, a particle either removed from the beam or passes unharmed. In these, heavy particles like proton, fission fragments, alpha particles, etc. lie in first category, and the lighter particles like electron, photon, positron, etc. lie in second category. In this, Geiger rule are main, and it is said that energy loses with respect to length is inverse proportional to velocity, that is minus dk by dx is c by v, and c is the constant. There V cube is 3 Cr by m. So we know the energy lost by photon. In this we measure this energy lost from the photon is that photon lose their energy or convert them. Think about it. It is the three things in man is it photoelectric effect, Compton effect and pair production. Photoelectric effect, an atom absorbs the photon and an electron injected from the cell. Compton effect, the photon get scattered by an atomic electron, and the pair production has the photon is converted by electron positron pair. We know that detectors are there to detect them. What you use, chamber or counters, and which one? There is a chamber and counter. uh, Counter means to count their electron or photon and measure them. It has a proportional counter, Geiger counter, scintillation counter, etc. And chamber, like that, it is a flask. In that we uh, collect that and then we process them. In this bubble chamber, spark chamber and cloud chamber, etc. We know accelerators. Accelerators, like we accelerate and collide them to find something new in nuclear physics. There is a 5 categories. First is Van de Graaff generator, second is cyclotron, third is synchrotron, fourth is betatron, and 5 is beta ray spectrometer. In Van de Graaff generator, it generates high voltage and pass those electrons to the target. In cyclotron, it produces high energy particles from AC current. Fluctuating disk is allowed to. In synchrotron, it is control high voltage particles velocity in cyclotron. In betatron, it use principle of electromagnetic induction to accelerating force. In beta ray spectrometer, the velocity of beta particle can be measured by semicircular focusing or isomagnetic spectrograph or the beta ray spectrometers. Thank you for watching Physics Lover.